Yeah, so I mean, the reason why we went with turf was because the pavers that we had previously installed when we built the pool were just too hot. And so it wasn't a comfortable situation, and we thought, why not kind of just spruce it up and add a little juice to it, and so we went with turf. As far as day of, Colin shows up, does a great job of communicating, walks through everything, sets expectation, checks throughout the project. Everyone is extremely professional.
Yeah, I truly appreciate how everyone cleaned up after themselves every day. It was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be as far as the install went. They were clean and respectful of the space, which was great. So we brought the dogs out for the first time, and we've got 2 big labs that are pretty energetic. They hit the turf and looked at it. I mean, both of them just kind of whipped their heads around, look at us, and immediately got the zoomies and started just racing around. So it was love at first sight for them, for sure.
Absolutely. And I'm in love with it right now. We're gonna add more. We're definitely gonna add more.
Yeah.